How to find Ally Bank routing number? You can find the routing number for Ally Bank by following these steps. If you have a checkbook for your Ally Bank account, you can find the routing number at the bottom left hand corner of the check. It usually appears before your account number. The routing number is a 9-digit number. You can log in to your Ally Bank account. Once logged in, navigate to your account details or settings. Typically, the routing number is displayed in your account information. Ally Bank's website may also provide information on routing numbers. Check their FAQ section or search for routing number in the search bar to find relevant information. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.